For Tanzania, tourism contributes to 17.2% of our GDP. And I would like to take this noble opportunity and honor to declare the Karibu Kilifair 2024 officially open.
The fair's been fantastic this year. We've had the most amazing amount of people, and it's a good fair.
Kilifair 2024 was an exciting 3-day event.
As well as the public, a lot of public take effort to come and visit the show, and a lot of people in Arusha are depending on the tourism sector.
It has brought us closer to our customers. It has given us an opportunity to showcase all the innovative solutions.
Kilifair is also a promoting platform for those who don't afford going and participating in international tourism shows.
In today's world, it's not about customer and supplier, it's about partnerships. Partnerships cannot work without connectivity, and connectivity cannot work without networking.
And the dynamic range of products and experiences. Looking forward to 2025. I just know it's going to be bigger and better.
Welcome to Karibu Kilifair 2025 from June 6th to 8th.